Well, hello. My name is Gideon, and I'm the CEO and founder at Kick City. At Kick City, we believe in something. We believe that the next internet is the internet of value. And we believe that we can create value for people. And that is what we are doing. So, Kick City is a community-based platform where we bring reward for people. Now, let's talk about the blockchain industry. How can we get the end users to use the blockchain? The only thing we can do is if we can create incentives for people to come and use blockchain. And that is what Kick City is doing. By next year, we'll have about 5 million people on our platform using Kick City. And so how did we decide to do that? We decided to use something that is very, very simple and unique. Everyone goes to events. If you have some cryptocurrencies, you all go to events. And how can we get the end users to use blockchain? So we are creating incentives for people by providing a referral-based blockchain solution for events. So what does it mean? If I'm going to an event, or basically you came to this event today, when you come to an event, you come with your friend. And if you can invite your friend, then the friend buys a ticket, then you get a reward, and your friend gets a reward too for buying a ticket, basically, which is like a kickback. And the event organizer gets 100% sold out. So why did we decide to work on this? Because one, the event organizers spend lots of money on marketing on Facebook. You can get about 1,000 clicks, but maybe only 2 ticket purchases. But if you use our system, which is the referral-based solution on blockchain, it's like a bounty, basically. I see the event, and I'm motivated to invite my friends. And I can invite my friend, they buy a ticket, I earn something. And with that, we can have lots of people come into the blockchain space and lots of transaction. Just imagine having one big event, let's say with Jay-Z, and he tweets out, okay, everyone, invite your friends and earn something. Everybody wants to earn something. And with Kick City, we're giving people the chance to earn something. So basically, with the network effect, we're going to have the company or the token growing very, very, very fast and having people coming into the platform because everyone is earning something. So this is our growth hacking method. Considering the fact that Kick City has been in the event space for a long time, we know that it's very, very hard or almost impossible for anyone to win Ticketmaster in the event space. It's almost impossible. And right now, crypto transactions are very slow, so people will not even prefer going to a blockchain solution to buy tickets if they're not earning anything. So that is why we're creating incentives for them to come into the platform first. And so what are we doing next? We're creating something called a network of tokens, basically. So we're going to give our white label to Ticketmaster or to Eventbrite, and they can use our P2P referral system for marketing on their platform, and they can have their own token, maybe a called Ticketmaster token. But the more people use their solution or use their token on their platform, the more the value of Kick City token can appreciate. Now, the next thing. For us to get to the next stage, the main stage which we're working on 2 stages. The first stage is getting the referral system and getting lots of people into our platform. The second stage is building communities. If we look so far, let's look at Facebook or other social networks. They have succeeded in connecting people to each other. Now, I think it's time for us to connect communities. If you look at the blockchain space right now, there are lots of communities, lots of ICOs all use Slack or Telegram or any other thing. But we see the problems with Slack. Slack wasn't built for community building. It was built for teams. And that's why we're having all this problem right now. If you have a Telegram and you have more than 1,000 people on Telegram, it becomes very hard to use. No threads, no community exchanges and everything, so it becomes harder. Facebook basically is great for connecting people, but it's not a community platform. You can't really exchange value. And that is why Kick City is coming in. Just imagine a decentralized platform, community platform, with its own rules and regulation, supported by smart contracts and with its own token economy. Now that's the second stage, and that's what we're building. Because in Kick City, we look at the short-term goal and the long-term goal. The short-term goal is that by next year, we're going to have at least 5 million transactions using Kick City due to the P2P referral system. So we're talking about value communities. Value communities is also part of the things which is in the community platform. We give people a chance to earn something. Let's take an example of a trader who provides some trade secrets, and he has a channel. People can join his communities and pay him some tokens for the value which he's providing. Because as Alex Tapscott said, the next generation of internet, which is the blockchain, is the internet of value. Information is value. And people who provide value, I think it's good if other people can give them something in exchange for the information which they provide. And what does he provide? It means that those people will spend more time generating better information for the people who are supporting them instead of trying to look for ads, which is a waste of time for them. The history of the company. Well, basically, Kick City, we were at Y Combinator Startup School. We graduated from that. We were in Microsoft Slush bootcamp. We've gotten investment from the US, and we got investment also from the government of Helsinki. So the company has been working for half a year right now. We have Android app, we have iOS, we generate revenue. Yeah, so, well, basically, our platform accepts Bitcoin transactions and fiat transactions for events. So in the beginning, we built a platform focused on events, but events around communities. This is how the company makes money right now. The company is generating revenue just like Eventbrite, basically. Just like Eventbrite, we're generating revenue. So around, like in a month, we make an average of 50,000 USD. This is without marketing because we've been building the products. So by next year, we'll go full scale into marketing, and the revenue scale is going to go up too, basically. So our partners, we're working with Amazix. We're working with Bancor because Kick City token is a smart token. It's supported by Bancor protocol. We're also working with Wings. So basically, Kick City is going to go on Wings platform for forecasting before our ICO. So our pre-ICO, the pre-sale starts today in the next 4 hours. Then you have a chance to get a 40% bonus if you join the pre-ICO. So you can go to ico.kickcity.io to join. About the team, we have a great team because we have people in our company who have worked on Facebook, who have worked for Google, and it's amazing because, bringing people together who are very smart to realize something. I've been working together for more than a year. Our advisors, we have very great advisors. We have Eric Benz, we have Sebastian, we have Jonathan from Matchpool, and also recently Jeremy Epstein. I don't know if you know Jeremy Epstein, but Jeremy Epstein joined our advisory board, and that's amazing. So the roadmap, considering the fact that Kick City already has products, so we are on a fast track to bring in end users to join our platform and start creating incentives for people. And this is what we are going to achieve because, we've been in the industry for some time. We understand how it works, and we understand how to bring the best results for people. So by next year, we'll be having at least around 5 million transactions going on Kick City. So thank you very much. You can join Kick City by going to ico.kickcity.io to join our pre-ICO, or you can just contact us by email. If you're interested, we could talk more. And we hope that you're going to join us to change the future of the crypto communities and bring blockchain to end users through incentives. Thank you.